in honor of my brother, my sister-in-law Sandy and I are gonna cook. Bubba had a couple of Bubba liked food, and every meal he ate at my house, he'd get up and say, "Sis, it's the best thing I've ever eaten here." He said it about everything. I don't care if it was scrambled eggs and grits.
He just loved to eat.
He loved to eat. Yeah. And Sandy would cook for him. And I have to say, he loved charcoal chickens.
Oh,
chickens cooked on the
split in half.
Yes, split in half. And
cook them for hours.
Yes, cook them for hours. And he would put those in the refrigerator and just eat one, at least a half a chicken every day.
There was nothing left but bone.
I know it.
Everything.
Listen, when my brother ate a chicken, you could not really tell what it had been. Could you? And I would rather watch Bubba eat chicken than eat it myself. And I can see him right now. And he loves steak.
Oh, yes.
He loves seafood. But we are in memory of Bubba and y'all's Valentine's days together. We're going to share a way to cook a steak, a filet mignon, very, very easy. And we have some beautiful filet mignons that we have had marinating for about 3 or 4 hours, and it's just plain Italian dressing. And then you'll want to turn them, just turn them every now and again. So we're going to wrap them in bacon. And all I keep on hand, Sandy, is thick sliced bacon.
That's what I use too.
But for this, I think just a regular sliced bacon would work better.
Oh, dear.
Yeah, it would adhere to the steak a little bit better. But we're just gonna take our piece of bacon and we're gonna just wrap it around that steak. Then I'm gonna come in here to my little toothpick dispenser. Get me a toothpick. I hope that's tight enough. All right, and Sandy, these are best cooked on a charcoal grill.
Oh, yeah.
I can tell that you're doing the bigger one for Bubba and the little one for you.
Sure.
So, we're gonna put them, I got our griddle real hot, but now I'm gonna spray it. I've got a little can of duck fat.
Oh, I've never seen duck fat.
Yeah.
Spray.
You want to taste a good potato fry and duck fat. All right, so we are gonna put these on the grill. Yeah, that sizzle. Now to have a good steak, you don't want to flip it back and forth. You only want to flip it one time. And I have 4 teaspoons of water in my bowl, and I'm going to take our #1 selling steak sauce. People just love this, so it's equal amounts of steak sauce to water, and we're just going to baste our filet. We're just going to baste our fillets with that while they're cooking. I'm so thankful to have Eddie's eyes on my food. All right, people rave. Have you ever tasted this?
No.
By day, well, look at that bottle. Grab that bottle and look at it. It's,
well, I've never seen them baste it.
Oh, yeah.
Have you tasted this?
Yeah. I'm just gonna kind of, but when you're cooking steak, y'all, you don't want to keep flipping it back and forth, back and forth. You don't want to do that. You want to flip it one time.
It smells amazing.
Oh, taste it. It is so good. That's just got water in it.
So good. Oh yeah, I got some up.
Isn't it yummy?
Uh-huh.
Now, I do think I'm going to maybe try to stand this up on its side at one point to maybe cook that bacon a little bit. How was that looking, Eddie, when I tilted it up?
The other one's got this.
Yeah. It's still light.
Still light?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to pick my steak up and I'm going to turn it that way to put the grill marks on it. So you're going to have grill marks going this way and grill marks going this way. All right, y'all, I'm going to turn them. Look at that. I'm going to turn this one up on its side and let that bacon cook a minute. For a medium well steak, you would want to cook it for about 8 minutes on one side. But we like our meat medium rare. So we won't cook ours that long, maybe 5 or 6 minutes per side. But you can see why I would recommend using a thinner bacon. You can see the grill marks, how pretty they are on it. I'm going to stick another toothpick in that one. Because your thinner bacon, it will almost adhere to your steak. All right, y'all, I'm going to give this one another stick with the pig. I'm going to fix it both sides. So it really depends on what temperature you like your meat on. Like I said, Michael and I are medium rare people. Bubba was a medium rare. And so was Sandy, a medium to medium rare. So my phone just rang and it was Aunt Peggy. Aunt Peggy was here and she came over for me to arrange her doctor's appointment. So she left. When did they leave, Eddie? Monday. So, she's already missing us, I know. Because she's calling us. You know what? I think I might just go ahead and taste this and not wait on Sandy. Look at that bacon. That bacon sends your steak to a whole new level. And I think I might just taste it without Sandy. What y'all think? Is that bad?
No, we never.
Would that be bad?
Smells great. Really good.
And it smelled delicious. All right, we're going to have to find another piece. That's just not a gristle. Look at that. That piece has a little pink. And as we get further in, it's going to get a little pinker. So this is looking like a perfect medium steak. And this is a real popular temperature to eat your steak at. That bacon flavor, it just gets it all through your meat. And I would recommend maybe taking your bacon off and just put it back on the grill for a few minutes until it's the temperature that you like. And then you can wrap it right back around your steak, or you can just lay it on the plate. But look at that bacon. That bacon just is yummy. Yummy, yummy. Look at that. Look at that. And with that Vidalia onion steak sauce. Sandy, I'm tasting it without you, honey.
Don't do that. Don't eat it up.
Well, come on. I just sliced it, and I would recommend.
What would you recommend?
I would recommend taking your bacon and cooking it some more. And serve it alongside of your steak, because the bacon is just fabulous with it. Now I had cut my grill off, so now I think I'll do
All that.
Yes.
Basting it in there.
Yes. Yes, there. Here, let me put a little bit there for you. Whoa, Paula. Good, isn't it?
Delicious.
Eat some more.
Oh, I'm savoring this.
I am fixing to move this bacon to your plate, and you put a little piece of bacon along with a bite of steak. So good. So good. Sandy, I thank you so much. For Sandy to be here, she has to drive 7 to 8 hours to be here with us. And she's so good about doing that. And I can't thank you enough. It means so much to me to just be with somebody that was that close to my brother, and we can share memories together. So I love you, and I can just see you standing up there right now cooking that boy a filet mignon steak.
Whatever you want.
Well, I thank you for everything you did for him, and
it was my pleasure.
loving me and me loving you.
Family. You all
Yes,
became my
absolutely family.
And you always will be.
It's great when you pick your family.
Right.
You can pick your nose, but you can't pick your family.
Well, it might not
Unless
be
you're
blood.
lucky.
Might not be blood family.
But the family you want.
Yeah.
So happy Valentine's Day to y'all. And I hope this jarred some wonderful memories for you.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.